Welcome to Goal Setting for Teens at Athena's Homeschool Academy. I'm Professor Suki, and it's okay with me if it wasn't your idea to be here because, frankly, most of my students take this course because an adult tells them to. The thing is, most of my students enjoy this course and feel like it's been really helpful for them. Although an adult may send you here, this course is for you. So, being a teen can be fun, exciting, confusing, frustrating. Okay, and now you get to add your adjective here. Goal setting for teens is set up to help you figure out a way to make your teen years more productive and enjoyable. It's not just about doing better in academics. It's about feeling successful and fulfilled in all your pursuits. Just call me Yelly. That's what my students named this guy. He's on a lot of slides. He's sort of bossy. So what's a goal-setting class all about? It's about figuring out what you want in the near term or long term, how to get there, and how to feel like you're successful in your attempts. This is not a homework-heavy course. I ask you to read one short chapter per session, respond to it in writing or verbally, watch a short webinar, and do a very few easy activities. The course load is largely determined by you and your needs. So, you can do this course alone or with others. If you have a group of friends that you're taking this class with, that's really cool. However, if you're doing the course alone, I do recommend that you find someone to be a conversation partner. Sometimes we all think better when we're saying things to another person. So maybe that person will be another adult or teen in your life. Or maybe you'll meet someone on the forums who's taking it at the same time as you. But I'm always around to be a sounding board and respond to student questions. So talk to me. Yelly here is going to tell you the one important thing I want you to take from this short video and from my class. You will be the happiest, most successful teenager if you take ownership over your education. Because if you let someone else own it, you're the one who still has to take it onward through the rest of your life. So own it and care for it. Onward! I hope you join me in goal setting for teens, but whether or not you do, I hope you move onward through your teen years with the feeling that what you're doing is important, because it is.